46-roller screen production process. Thread the magnetic strip into the prepared profile. Pull the rod to install the mute rubber strip. Install first strip. Install mesh box base and profile fixing angle. Assembly shaft. Measure the lock position and place the retaining gasket. Interposition lock strip. Fixed lock car. Test lock car. Profile cutting angle. Cut the required drawstring. The pull rope passes into the pull rod at the fixed angle. Thread the drawstring into the drawstring buckle. Secure corner code and wear buckle. Assemble frame. Adjust the drawstring. Attach double-sided tape to the prepared mesh. Temporarily fix the storm strip to the mesh. Sewing with strips and mesh. The mesh is inserted into the round tube. Thread the mesh into the tie rod. Fixed mesh. The round tube is loaded into the mesh box, and the rotating shaft is inserted into the round tube and fixed. Adjust the shaft. Test the shaft tension. Place the yarn box into the frame and adjust the drawstring again. Cover with plastic strip. Complete installation. If you are interested in window screens or screen doors, please contact us.